Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate HBO Now, now rebranded as Max on your TV with an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream HBO's premium content. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console where you want to watch HBO content. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your device and search for the Max app, formerly HBO Max or HBO Now. Download and install the application. Step 3. Open the Max app once installation is complete. You'll be greeted with options to sign in or create a new account. Step 4. Select the Sign In or Activate option from the menu. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Step 5. Note the activation code and keep your TV on this screen. The code typically expires after a certain period, so complete the next steps promptly. Step 6. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and visit the Max activation website at max.com/activate. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the appropriate field on the website. Double-check that you've entered it correctly. Step 8. Sign in to your Max HBO account or create a new account if you don't have one. Choose your subscription plan if prompted. Once verified, your TV will automatically refresh and you can start streaming HBO's extensive library of shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.